friends. So another story I want to share is with the story that's associated with some drones. So I happen to stay in a gated community near to my office a few years back, and I happened to see a very different kind of an unidentified flying object that's looking like a drone. And it was like I have taken the photograph of it and I happen to post it on the social media as well. That it was flying so low, a little bit above the head while I was going for a walking with my friends. While I was walking on the track alone, I saw a very low flying, unidentified flying object that was looking like a drone or a UFO, and that was a total surprise for me. And it was like from then onwards, like all the stories have been started as to who's that man, who's there in the UFO, is anybody there in the UFO, did they come to see you, or what is happening. So I said, I don't know. I saw some different kind of an object flying really very low, that's looking like a plane and not exactly a passenger flight, or what is it, like it's looking like a drone with the different kind of lights on that. And I've taken a photograph of it and I posted it, and everybody started calling it a drone and a UFO. And from then onwards, it is like everything is happening with the extraterrestrials. And after that, I heard a lot of news coming the same way, the similar way with the politicians as well, that UFO started coming to their residences, and even it has come to India Prime Minister Modi's residence. A UFO was seen near his residence. And then that is when I have realized, oh, it could be correct, that what I had seen and what I had photographed and posted on the social media could be a UFO. And I couldn't believe my eyes that I have seen a UFO directly. And from then onwards, it's like somebody has come in the UFO, and a lot of stories about it. And it was really very nice as to who's that man, that extraterrestrial, who's there in the UFO, etc., etc. So this is one real good interesting story that I wanted to share.